So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove this center light Ford Focus MK4, and this one is an STLine. So basically we have a pin somewhere over here, same goes on this side, and there one pin somewhere about here. So I'm gonna use this tool. And how you determine where it, so look at this. Now here you cannot come inside full, but here, yeah, you can come. So with the tool, and same goes for the other side, you just check where you can put your tool full inside. And now somewhere around here is the one pin, so, and another one is over here. So basically to take it out fully, and now you can take out that little plug. So it's clicking from this side over here, and there is another one over here. So again, you just clicked from that side. One more over here, and you have it. So that's that. There is a lot of electricity in. One is for this speaker. We have the lights over here, an SOS button. So basically all the little things that are in the roof. Not that hard, and if you wanna, when you finish whatever you need to do with it goes like this. So you plug that one, two, and this third one, and you just basically press there, and just click it in as it was. So just like that. You need to push a little bit inside this side and just click it back in. So that's that. So I hope this will help you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have anything else that you would like me to show, sure, write in comments. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you next one. So till next one, see ya.